everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm coming to you with a video that I'm blessed to bring to you. I'm excited about it. We've hit a milestone here at Glastenbury Designs, and it's because of you out there clicking the subscribe button. We've hit 1,000 subscribers, so I'm very excited about that. It's nice to see the channel growth, and it's nice to have viewers and followers that are pushing the channel out to that. I've said it a few times over, but I can make all the videos that I want. They don't really do anything without you. So thank you. Thank you so much for helping me get to this milestone. We've been at, I don't know, we've been at 1,000 subs now for probably a week. I wanted to just sort of test because I hit the 600 mark and I'd make it to like 632 and bounce back to like 625. And then I'd make it to 634 and bounce back to like 624. It was weird. And it was stuck right in that 620 to 640 range for must have been a month and a half, 2 months. And then the channel just started to take off. So I'm recording this. I don't intend to edit this video. Hopefully I can get it out there without editing. I just want it to be just a true, authentic, genuine thank you, and I'm truly touched that many people had the desire to hit my subscribe button, and so we're sitting right now at the making of this video probably around 1,070 to 1,080, and it would take me months to get through 100 subscribers. But one of the weird things that I've noticed since hitting 1,000 is I had, in one day, I had like 30 new subscribers or something. It was crazy. So I'm went through my stash, and I found a couple of models that I thought would be nice to celebrate this milestone here. My window's open, and as cars go by, it distracts me. But I went through, I picked out a couple of models. I kind of sat and looked at my collection for a while. Once again, I know everybody's said it, but I'm going to send these out to anybody in the lower 48 just because of shipping. Like I can't afford to send anything overseas with all the, all the shipping and all the stuff going on. But so sadly, if you're subscribed outside of the lower 48, I just don't have the budget and the income to be able to ship that far. So that's that. Getting back to, so I went through, looked at my collection, and I picked out 2 models because I don't have a ton in my collection. I don't have a ton of like some people do models and tools. I actually just won a great package from Shaggy a little ways back. All the tools that I have are in use, so I don't want to give somebody a used tool, obviously. But so the first one is one that I've had from, I bought it as a kid, and I know we're up on the 25-year mark now for losing one of our great racing legends. And I know that there's a NASCAR build out there. I don't have the opportunity, or I don't have the time with all of what I've got going on to join the NASCAR group build right now. I don't know if this is too new of a car, but I thought, maybe somebody can take it and build it, and do it some justice, and do Dale some justice, and have a good version of this car. I bought this car as a kid. I've had it. It's probably one of the longest models that I've had. I don't know how long I've had this. I say as a kid, I was much younger. 20 or so years, I guess. But that's the first one that I'm gonna put out there. And I got to looking at it, I'll sit that over there. Yeah, you can still see it. So I got to looking at my other collection, and I've had this one in the collection for a while. It's a round 2 model. And it's the 50th anniversary Chevy Camaro. So while I'm looking at it out there, I thought this was not on the radar. I was actually looking at a nice, I don't know, 67, 69 Ford Mustang. And I knew I had already had this one picked out. I looked down at that and I'm like, I could see Dale driving that when he's not driving his race car. I was like, I think that, I think that'd be a nice pack to send out together. Sorry about that. Banjo took off barking, so I had to interrupt the video. He went running toward the door because the mail got here. And sometimes he gets milk bones from the mail carriers. But so anyway, I think I've gone over the shipping and sort of what I can handle in regards to shipping these 2 models out, because they'll be shipped together in one package. I think the only thing really left is most people just say I'm in. So I guess that's fine if you want to comment something down below, and if you're a subscriber, just say I'm in, and I'll give it. Let's see. This video is going to come out today, so I think most people do a week as well. So I'll go back into the comments of this video next Monday, and sometime next week I'll do the actual giveaway video, and we'll get it sent out. And if you do, I guess if you do win, just give me your email and in the comments or something, or you can email me as well. It's always in my description, and we'll figure that out when we'll cross that bridge when we get to it. So anyways, thank you again. Really appreciate all of you. I'm really blessed to have all of you, subscribed. I really didn't think I'd get here. I know a lot of people say that also, but I talked about that 620 to 640 mark. I was there for a long time. When I hit 500, I went from 500 to 600 in just a couple of months. I was in the 600 range for a long time, and I don't know what happened there, but anyways, we're here now, and I'm very happy. I'm very blessed, and thank you. Until we see each other again, everyone out there, be safe, and everyone be blessed, and thank you for watching.